Hello there, welcome to Eosacro. This is a very short introduction to Nuke that I wanted to give before I get started with all the tutorials. So the main agenda for this video in particular is I want to show you what exactly Nuke is and tell you a little bit about its history. Then we are going to go into the company's website, the Foundry. This is a company currently involved in the production and distribution of Nuke. So from here we'll get what we call a PLE edition or a personal learning edition of Nuke. So let's start by understanding what exactly Nuke is. By default, what we refer to Nuke as is a node-based compositor. I don't want to eat your head about what exactly node-based stands for, but instead let me just tell you what a compositor is. When you're working in production, you have several elements or images that you want to combine together to create a final output. Like, let's say one has a lamp and another has a shadow cast by the lamp. I'm going to combine these together to create a final output, and this is what is the work of a compositor. It's going to help me combine the elements together to create a final output. For Nuke, the actual development work started very early 1990s by Digital Domain. These guys started working on Nuke as an in-house tool. It was actually called Nuke Compositor. Nuke actually stands for Nuke Compositor according to them. So when they started working on this, it was an in-house tool, and later on won many awards, even including scientific achievement. Then at around 2007, the Foundry, the website which currently owns Nuke, took over the production and distribution, and right now it's pretty much used everywhere around the world in all major studios as the main compositing package. Nuke till date has been the best compositing package because of all the features it offers. But we'll be looking at all the features later on, so I'll not discuss it right now. So let's see a couple of movies that have come out which have used Nuke as a major tool in the pipeline. As you can see, there is Avatar, there is District 9, iRobot, even Benjamin Button, and these are movies which have some real good visual effects, and all these use Nuke. And basically the final words I would like to tell about Nuke is that it is one of the best, but you have to understand the basics, not just work like just click and create outputs. So the main agenda for the entire series of videos is to give you the basics and not give you the step-by-step tutorials. So let's see about it later on. Right now let's go into the website and get ourselves a copy of Nuke. So I'm here on the Foundry's main website. The website address is thefoundry.co.uk. So from here I can go into the Nuke section of the website here. In the Nuke section, on the right side panel, the second option that they have is Personal Learning Edition, which you can click on, which will bring out this forum that you have to fill. Also, you will have to register on the website before you can reach this forum. So registration just requires your email address and pretty basic things. Once you're here, you can just fill out all the details and click continue. They will send you an email with the link which you have to click on to get to this site. And over here you can start downloading whichever edition of Nuke that you want. The entire file size is about 100 MB, and installation takes about 10 minutes maximum depending on your CPU. And there is no serial number or anything that you have to give for a personal learning edition, so I'm not showing you exactly how to install it. I'll see you in the next video now, where I'll talk about the user interface and get started with learning Nuke. So I hope you found this video useful. Give me your feedback. I'm always looking for it. So see you. Goodbye.